One of the recipients of a Marsden grant was University of Otago geologist Professor James White, who secured $885,000 to analyse the dust from the undersea Havra volcano in the Kermadec Islands, 800 kilometres north of Auckland in 2012.
It's the first time ever for a large eruption like this underwater that we've actually even known when one happened. So in this case, we know when it happened and we knew where it happened.
The pumice from the volcano was first spotted and photographed by a tourist on board a flight to New Zealand. Since then, an American research ship has collected samples and mapped the fallout from the volcano 1.4 kilometres below the ocean surface. And now scientists like Professor White are working out what it all means.
My personal interest, and one of the things we want to know more about, is how does water affect volcanic eruptions? So this happens at a whole range of intensities and depths, and some of them are of interest for practical reasons. So magma interacting with water causes a sort of explosion that could make Auckland's volcanoes, for instance, much more dangerous. Now, that's not the phenomenon that went on here because we're almost a kilometer underwater. But the basic physics on that is linked. So if we can learn more about how magma and water interact at kilometer depth, and we have some other places where we can look at half a kilometer and hundreds of meters, then we can put together the whole package to better understand the physics of this interaction. And that will ultimately have implications up here where we live. But the other part is simply that 3/4 of the world is underwater. Most volcanoes are underwater, and we just don't know that much about them. So it's exploration, it's learning about our planet.
Professor White's project is one of 23 at Otago receiving a Marsden Fund grant in this round. I'm Mark Price for the South Today.